Alright guys, on this video I just want to quick show you the amount this video actually generates. For me, just 10 views. As you can see, I generated a total amount of $2.14 with these 10 views. This is absolutely crazy. So I will show you on the revenue tab the amount YouTube is actually going to pay me per 1000 views. So I will show you the amount the advertisers are willing to pay on this video. So follow me guys, let me open the revenue tab. Okay, this is it. This is the RPM of this video. The RPM of this video is actually $305.43, and you move over to playback base. So this is amount the advertisers are willing to pay. Can't you see? $3,808. $3,888. This is absolutely crazy. So the reason why this RPM is high like this, number one, is the region. Where are your views coming from? If your views is coming from developed countries, this is actually going to increase your revenue. So because advertisers are willing to pay more to target those people from those developed countries like US, United Kingdom. And secondly is the niche that you are into. This my channel, I'm into make money online niche, and as you can see, this video is actually covering how to create a website, how to create a website from scratch, which I showed my website as well.
Whether you're looking for a new job or you love the one you have, Grammarly can help you communicate with confidence.
So the advertiser who is actually advertising on this video is actually people that owns a company like GoDaddy, Namecheap, all these website hosting company. So they are the one advertising on this my video. So and they are ready to pay more. So to actually get customers, because people that is watching my video is actually people who is interested in what making money online. And the third reason is this: YouTube add one features on their monetization tab. If you are already monetized on YouTube, you are going to see it on their monetization tab when you are uploading a video. So they add what they call ad suitability. So this is where you are going to submit your video, so for them to check it whether your video is actually contain abusive word. So all these things is the reason why this revenue is actually going high. So I will keep on updating you on my channel, so do well to subscribe. Don't forget that we are still on creating our own website. So I'm going to be dropping part 2 of the video. I just want to quick show you this and explain some little things. So I don't know the reason why you won't start your own YouTube channel. Let me just tell you that it's not actually easy, but you have to keep on grinding until you make it at the top. So that is what I will actually encourage you. So keep winning.